player has 2 mulligans. I'm sure you're going to be honest about that, right? Y'all go have fun. Let's play golf. Let's rock and roll.
Hey, let's go! Let's go!
Beat me in one hand, one of you. And if you do, you get 1 stroke off your score. Here we go. Ace! Big 10, Big 10, Big 10. Jeez. 18, got to stay. We got a winner. Take a stroke off, guys.
Take it, baby.
Good job, guys. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
What happened?
That was a little too quick.
This is a beautiful day at Emerald Bay. We're out here for the 11th annual Affordable Home Insurance Charities Foundation Golf Tournament.
Just like that. Just like that.
Myself and 2 others that sit on the Affordable Home Insurance Board started the foundation about 12 years ago. At the time, you know, we were a bunch of golfers that really enjoyed playing golf and figured we should give back to the community some way or another, and that's when we formed the foundation. A lot of what we do couldn't be possible if it weren't for the sponsors that we have. You know, big thank you to everybody that has continuously been a part of it. You know, we're having a beautiful day at Emerald Bay.
How are we doing today?
Man, if I was any better, I'd be twins. Thank you, Affordable, for putting on a fantastic golf tournament.
Thank you so much for being here. Without you being here, it wouldn't be possible. We do this out of the kindness of our heart. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all have some fun.